wireless home security kit from Xodo. Boy, this looks nice. Easy to install. Let's check it out. Let's look at the back first. Oh, it tilts every which way. Motion detection.
Voice control.
Android app. Hey, it has night vision. Remote access so you can check it out from work. Wi-Fi. All sorts of stuff. Hey, easy to install. You only need a screwdriver. This is great. Let's open it up. We have the box open. Let's check it out. Oh, these are great. USB cords. This is nice. Oh, I like this. This is the sensor. Got two of them, and it's easy. You can just screw it into the wall with a simple screwdriver or stick it on. This just comes right off. There's two. Very nice. See, they swivel around like crazy. Ah, this one is the important one. This one's the motion detector. It goes from 0 to 355 degrees, so it'll go every which way. Very nice. See, people? Very nice. Very important. This is your window or door detectors, two pieces. This goes on the door. When it moves, it disconnects from there. Then your alarm goes off, alerting you to, uh-oh, something's going on. Very nice. This is your keychain. Lock, unlock, SOS. Really important, very important. Another cable, another plug-in. And see, if you don't want to use screws, and it comes with screws, you can just use the two-sided stickiness, so you don't have to drill into your garage door or what have you. Very good, very good. Oh, and don't forget to read your instructions first, okay? Very important. This is an American-made company. It is assembled in China. Support Americans. Yay!
So it's the mounting bracket. Here. The remote control. It's got a keychain. The siren. It's a Wi-Fi siren. It's got a reset button, power, an on-off switch. The front, the red light will actually light up. And let me show you that. You can see the door sensors. Sensors.
You can put these on the door or the window. This goes on the door. This will go on the casing. And so when they get separated, the alarm goes off. And don't worry, folks, you can turn the alarm off when you're at home, only to be used when you're away. You don't want this going off every time your kids go in and out of the house. See, bing, goes like that. Like that, like that. We'll go in the windows too, but it's just the same. And what's good is there's no drilling. Just 3M sticky tape, and you're finished. Just like that. Very easy. A lady can install this. You don't need a